One-pot meals are the unsung heroes of home cooking, perfect for busy days or when you just don't want to spend extra time on cleanup. Imagine a dish that combines all the flavors and textures you crave, while only requiring a single pot for cooking. It's a dream for those who love the taste of a home-cooked meal but dread the pile of dishes afterward. Here's a guide to the joy of one-pot meals, along with a few easy recipes to get you started. The beauty of one-pot meals. One-pot dishes can range from hearty stews to creamy pastas to vibrant stir-fries, and the list goes on. The beauty of cooking in one pot is that all the ingredients are combined in one space, allowing them to mix, mingle, and develop flavors together. The food cooks evenly, allowing the spices to bloom, vegetables to soften, and proteins to become tender and deliciously infused. When all is said and done, you're left with a meal that's rich in flavor, full of texture, and so much easier to clean up. No more endless piles of pots and pans, just one pot, a spoon, and maybe a chopping board. Getting started with one-pot cooking. Choose your pot wisely. A deep, heavy-bottomed pot or Dutch oven is often the best choice. It provides even heating and has the space needed for layering ingredients. For pasta dishes, a wide, shallow pan works wonders, allowing the noodles to cook evenly in the sauce. Layer your ingredients. Layering is essential in one-pot meals. Start with aromatics like onions and garlic, then add your protein, and finally, vegetables, grains, or pasta. This ensures that the flavors build up gradually, creating a more complex, tasty dish. Flavor gradually. As you add ingredients, season with salt, pepper, and spices. Building up the flavors gradually means you'll need less seasoning in the end, and each layer will have its own distinct taste. Recipe 1. Creamy Tuscan Chicken Pasta. This dish is a fantastic example of a cozy, satisfying one-pot meal with minimal ingredients. It's creamy, a bit tangy from the sun-dried tomatoes, and comes together beautifully with the pasta and chicken. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 pound boneless, skinless chicken breast cubed, salt and pepper to taste, 3 cloves garlic, minced, half a cup sun-dried tomatoes chopped, 2 cups chicken broth, 1 cup heavy cream, 8-ounce penne pasta, 2 cups fresh spinach, half a cup Parmesan cheese grated. Instructions: sear the chicken. Heat olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Season the chicken with salt and pepper, then add it to the pot. Cook until golden brown, about 5 minutes. Remove the chicken and set it aside. Sauté the garlic. In the same pot, add garlic and sun-dried tomatoes, stirring for about 1 minute. Add liquids and pasta. Pour in the chicken broth and cream, and bring it to a gentle simmer. Add the pasta, stirring to ensure it's covered in liquid. Cover and cook for about 10 minutes, or until the pasta is al dente. Combine and serve. Add spinach and cooked chicken back into the pot. Stir in Parmesan cheese until melted and creamy. Serve warm and enjoy the minimal cleanup. Recipe 2. One-pot chickpea and vegetable curry. This curry is packed with plant-based goodness, loaded with vegetables and gently spiced. Serve it with naan or rice for a wholesome, hearty meal. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons coconut oil, 1 onion diced, 2 garlic cloves minced, 1 tablespoon ginger grated, 1 tablespoon curry powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 can 15 ounces coconut milk, 1 can 15 ounces chickpeas drained and rinsed, 1 cup diced tomatoes, fresh or canned, 2 cups mixed vegetables, carrots, bell peppers, spinach or cauliflower, salt and pepper to taste, fresh cilantro for garnish. Instructions: sauté the aromatics. Heat coconut oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add the onion, garlic, and ginger. Cook until fragrant, about 3 minutes. Add spices and liquids. Stir in curry powder and turmeric, toasting them for about 1 minute. Add coconut milk, chickpeas, and tomatoes, stirring to combine. Add vegetables and simmer. Toss in your choice of vegetables, season with salt and pepper, and let it all simmer for 20 minutes, or until the vegetables are tender. Serve and garnish. Serve with fresh cilantro on top. This meal is a flavor-packed bowl of comfort. Recipe 3. lemon herb shrimp, and rice. This one-pot dish is light yet flavorful, and the lemon gives it a fresh, zesty kick. Perfect for a quick weeknight dinner. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 pound large shrimp, peeled and deveined, salt and pepper to taste, 1 cup basmati rice, 2 cups chicken or vegetable broth, 1 lemon, juice and zest, 1 teaspoon dried basil, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, fresh parsley for garnish. Instructions: cook the shrimp. Heat olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Season the shrimp with salt and pepper and cook until pink, about 2 minutes per side. Remove and set aside. Add rice and broth. In the same pot, add rice and broth, then stir in lemon juice, lemon zest, basil, and thyme. Bring to a boil, then reduce to a simmer. Combine and finish. Once the rice is cooked about 15 minutes, add the shrimp back to the pot. Stir to combine, garnish with parsley, and serve. Why you love these recipes? One-pot meals bring convenience and flavor together. They are perfect for meal prepping, saving time, and keeping cleanup to a minimum. You can often make enough to have leftovers, making these dishes ideal for meal prep or a simple reheat and eat option the next day. With these recipes, you can enjoy delicious, homemade food without worrying about cleanup. Grab a pot, your favorite ingredients, and you'll have a meal that's sure to impress with minimal fuss.